gonna play Nothing But Thieves, their new song Impossible. This riff plays in the beginning of the song. You're going to place your first finger on the third string, your G string, 2nd fret. And then you're going to place your middle finger on the 5th string, 3rd fret, and your ring finger on the 4th string, 3rd fret. So, kind of looks like an A minor shape, except you're moving it up to different strings. All right, so that's the first phrase. Then what you do is you flatten your ring finger. See how my finger is kind of flattening? I'm going curve, flatten, curve, flatten. The trick is when you flatten, don't do it too hard. Just do it with enough pressure to clearly fret the note. That's your note. And don't use any more pressure than you need to, because you'll get a sore finger. Anyways, that plays for like the first minute and 17 seconds of the song. And so you got to be comfortable playing that, because you're going to be playing it a while. Then it goes into power chords for the chorus. And it starts on the B flat. Goes to A, G. Then it goes back to B flat. Doesn't go on the second time around, it stops on the G. And then it goes back to your F riff. I think an organ is playing it at this point. But the guitar doesn't stop. The other part of the song is a bridge. And the bridge is played mostly on the C. People keep telling me change is coming, something, something. Goes B flat. The bridge just goes from C to B flat. Always goes back to that riff. All right, that's the song. You should be able to play along with the record and figure out how many times they do the riff and how many times they do the verse and the chorus and that bridge. All right, but that's the whole song. Hope you enjoyed it. Have fun playing it. It's a cool song, and I think it's a good one to practice your rhythm guitar skills on. So have fun, and don't forget to subscribe. It helps me grow my channel. Thanks. Bye.